Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Best way to deep clean your carpets without chemicals. Whether you've got pets, kids, or just a klutzy friend, chances are you've gone online and looked up, "How do I get a stain out of carpet?" in the past few months. Here are 5 ways to deep clean your carpets without using mysterious chemicals, so that you can have both peace of mind and fresh, spotless home. Homemade vinegar-based cleaner. You knew it was only a matter of time until white vinegar showed up on the list, right? White distilled vinegar is a secret weapon to have in the pantry. There are deep carpet cleaner recipes available that include white vinegar, baking soda, and salt. Deodorize with baking soda. Another secret weapon for cleaning is baking soda. A simple carpet cleaning powder made up of a half a cup of baking soda with 10 drops of your preferred essential oil will quickly deodorize your carpet. Sprinkle it over the carpet and leave for at least half an hour, or longer if possible, then vacuum it up well. You can also use this process on the mats in your car. Carpet cleaning machine. You can run your vacuum over the same spot in 4 different directions, or you can spot clean like crazy. Sometimes, however, the job calls for a carpet cleaning machine. If you have a home that is mostly carpeted and you have pets and kids to clean up after, purchasing a carpet cleaning machine or a vacuum with deep cleaning options makes a lot of sense. If you don't have a high-traffic home, renting a carpet cleaning machine may do the trick. Just don't buy the carpet cleaning liquid that is usually encouraged by the machine instructions. Instead, make the one listed next. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Homemade detergent cleaner. Isn't it great when you can get a 2-for-1 deal? With this deep cleaning homemade carpet cleaner, you can both save money and know exactly what is going into the cleaner. It costs around $1 per gallon. While this does include detergents and stain removers, at least you'll know exactly what is going into it. Bring in a green professional. Sometimes you don't have the time or the willpower to create your own homemade solutions and concoctions. You've already got enough on your schedule, and learning to clean carpets isn't high on your list of priorities. Thankfully, more and more professional carpet cleaners are becoming aware of the push for eco-friendly cleaning that is safe for kids and pets. Be sure to do your research about professionals that claim to be organic or chemical-free. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the best non-toxic ways to clean mold with natural cleaners. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products.